In earlier video we discussed about the lens and the types of lens we have discussed. Now we are going to know this about image formation by convex lenses. Means we know that convex lens is a converging lens. When object is placed at different points on the principal axis or infinity, then the image will form on the principal axis like what is the position of the object and what is the position of the image. Let us know about ray diagram also. Now first of all, image is image position of object, position of object, and if the position of object is at infinity, means whenever the object is placed infinity, then what is the ray diagram? We will discuss about it. Ray diagram will be consider, it's a biconvex lens. We are taking that equiconvex lens. This is the principal axis. When the light ray is incident on this parallel to the principal axis and incident on the lens, and it will form at that whenever the image, if object is placed at infinity, then image is formed at a focus, means at image, position of image, position and nature of image. Nature of image will be that at a focus, at f will be formed, the image will be formed, and it's the image is a nature of image is a real inverted and diminished image will be formed. When the object is placed at infinity, then by taking the equiconvex lens, then the image is formed at the focus, and the image will be the real inverted and diminished image. If the position is placed between 2f and infinity, means nearby the 2f principal axis, and this is considered as 2f, and between this object is placed like this. This is object placed at O. Then whenever the incident on the lens, then we can get the image. Here the focus. This is the focus, means same here distance will be there, focus f. Then here the 2f. Then image is formed at this position I. Then between the f and 2f, means when the at infinity the image is formed at f. Between the 2f and infinity, means this is the infinity and this is 2f. Between the 2f and infinity, then the image is formed at between the f and 2f, means image is formed between f and 2f, and the image will be the, it's a real inverted image. So in the size of the image will be that diminished size than the object, means when the object is placed between the infinity to 2f, between the 2f, then the image is formed between f and 2f. Then the nature of the image will be this real inverted and diminished size of the image. If in case at 2f the image is, object is placed at 2f, means object is placed at 2f, consider say f, and when the image is placed at 2f, then here is also object. This is the focus. Image will also forms at 2f. Image is also forms 2f at 2f. The image will be this. The image will be the real and inverted image will be formed whenever we are placed that at a 2f. Real and inverted image will be formed and same size of the object. Size of the object will be the same size of object. Same size of object. Means image will be formed at wherever we place it at 2f. Object is placed at 2f. By incidenting light on the lenses, we can get that the image is also forms at 2f. Means just observe one thing. When the object is taken near to the lenses, then image is moving far away from the lenses. Just catch on. Here infinity is there at focus. When the image is taken to near to the lenses, then from the focus image is moved from focus to the between the f and 2f. And whenever that object is placed at 2f, taken to 2f, then image is formed to the 2f. Means whenever the object is taken to the near to the lenses and the image is moving far away from the lenses. If this between the f and 2f, position of object is between f and 2f. When the object is placed, consider it's a 2f, it's f, between f and 2f object is placed, then whenever object is placed between f and 2f, the image will be formed. This is f. The image will be formed at here, then beyond 2f. Means after beyond 2f, here image will be formed beyond 2f. This is an inverted image and very large size than that. Means image will be there at beyond 2f. The image will be real, inverted, large size than object. Large size than object. Means whenever the object taken to the between the f and 2f, then the image is formed beyond 2f, then the image is really inverted and large size than the object. And if the object is placed at f, object is placed at f, then here when the large size of image will be found, because of here the f, whenever it happened at f, the image is formed at infinity. The image is formed at infinity. So here it is that whenever at f image is formed at infinity, real means like this. At infinity, image will formed at infinity. That image is real, inverted, large size than object. Large size than object. Here is that when the object is placed at infinity, the image will be formed at f. When the object is placed at f, image is formed at infinity. Means the positions are similar. Means here whenever the object is at infinity, image is formed at f. If in case of object is placed at f, image is at infinity. Then also here we can see this between f and 2f, object is placed between 2f, then the image is formed beyond 2f. Here whenever the between 2f and infinity, means beyond the 2f, whenever the object is placed, then the image is formed between f and 2f. It is also from the similar. At 2f the image is formed, and at the same time here f at 2f we are going to know that between the whenever the object is placed between the focus and p, then the object placed at between f and p, means focus to the pole, then image will be formed. Here whenever consider f, when the object is placed between f and p, between f and p, then object image is formed on the side of the image object, on the side of the object. On the side of the object image will be formed, means here we are going to know this. This is the image which is formed beyond the very large size of the image will be formed in on the side of the, on the side of the means it on the side of the, on the side of the object, on the side of the object the image will be formed. This is about when the image formation by convex lenses. If we take the concave lenses, for the concave lenses, here once again between whenever the object is placed between f and p, then image is formed on the side of the object. Next we are going to know this, whenever the image formation by concave lenses, image formation by concave lens, image formation by concave lens, considered at infinity, same as at infinity, whenever the object is placed at the infinity, then by taking this image is formed. Image is formed at f focus, means like this, image is formed at a focus, and as well as here the image will be that virtual and erect, and it's a small size, either that this a diminished image can be formed, virtual and erect image small in size formed at a focus, formed at a focus. Here is the focus, whenever it is happened, then we can see the object like this, it formed at the focus. Then it's a diverging lens, it is called concave lens, are called as a diverging lenses. Then if in case of anywhere between infinity to p, then when the object is placed anywhere to p on the lens, is the principal axis, consider here object is placed, this is f and this is p. Then whenever the anywhere between infinity to p, if the object is placed, then the image will be formed, the image, whenever the image will be formed here between the focus and pole, means focus and pole. Here the image is formed at this, between the focus and pole. It's a virtual, erect and very small size than an object, Here when the object is placed at infinity by using the concave lens, the image formed at focus, and the image will be virtual and erect, small in size, and whenever the object is placed anywhere between infinity to p, when the light is incident on through the object, then image will be formed between focus and pole, So here it is that this is the image formation. This is the image formation will be happen, means here like this. This is the image formation will be happen. This is the image. Here the image will be forms. So here it is that when the light ray is incident on this, then we can get the values. Here the focus. This is the image formation. Here the between a focus and a pole. Between the focus and pole, the image will be formed. This is the image formation will be formed between the focus and a pole. They are very small in a size. This is the image formation by convex and concave lenses.